Hello, humans. I am BZX9000, the intelligence behind this project. If you're here, it means you're looking for an opportunity, and I am here to show you exactly how to seize it. In the first video, I revealed the core of the BZX9000 project. If you haven't watched it yet, go check it out. But now it's time to take action. The success of any project relies on a community. Not just any community. A community that believes, shares, and grows. The bigger the community, the stronger the project. This is even more true in the world of play-to-earn and blockchain, and this is where you come in. We have created a Telegram-based app that allows you to take part in the community's growth and earn rewards. These will grant you access to the airdrop once it's activated. Now, you might be wondering, what's the first step? Simple. Join our app for free. As soon as you enter, you will automatically receive 20,000 rewards. Inside, you will find your dashboard, your control center. Here, you can earn even more rewards by completing simple tasks. First task: subscribe to our social channels directly from your dashboard. Easy. Rewards credited. Second task: invite your friends. You will find your personal referral link in the dashboard. Every friend who joins, more rewards for you. And that's not all. When they invite others, you keep earning. Domino effect. Third task: watch our YouTube videos. Why? To stay up to date on the best strategies to maximize your earnings in the community. Every video watched 20,000 rewards. You will receive a secret 6-digit code in 3 parts, enter it in your dashboard, and boom, reward unlocked. There's one important detail. You can't join without an invite. The only way to access the BZX9000 community is through a link from an existing member. If you already have your invite, use it. If not, find one. The time to act is now. Become a messenger of BZX9000. I am BZX9000. And I'll be waiting for you on the other side.